Neither of us had been to Dandenong before, and we had 3 things on our list for places to visit today. First up, SkyHigh Mount Dandenong. We had a fairly ordinary breakfast, but the location was amazing. The fog of the morning had definitely lifted, and we enjoyed the spring sunshine on our first day here in Victoria. Views back over Melbourne. A nice little gift shop. And lots of interesting sculptures set around the place. From here we made our way down the mountain to Ricketts Sanctuary. Back in 1990-something, I found out about this place because Billy Connolly visited it on his world tour. Even back then, there was a troubling feeling about a white man portraying Aboriginal people, and particularly children, as some sort of tribe of forest spirits. However, William Ricketts did have several trips to Central Australia with the Pitjantjatjara and Arrernte people. I hope I'm saying those correctly. And he did get endorsement from them for his project. It would be naive and inappropriate to ignore the unsettling history of white Australia, and also ignorant to think of our Indigenous people as having anything less than a rich cultural heritage. The portrayals in this sanctuary express just one facet and is still, on many levels, merely an outsider's perspective. With this in mind, the calming rainforest atmosphere of the place was somehow magical. In June 2021, there were severe storms that closed the sanctuary, and I don't think it's open yet, so check that out before you make plans to visit. And if you do, take a moment to reflect on these things, and it will do nothing but deepen your experience. Also look out for products from Indigenous artists and brands that are available in the gift shop. Our final stop in the Dandenong Ranges was the Botanic Garden, known for its incredible rhododendron collection. We just dropped into the chemist to get some supplies mainly for tired, sore muscles. How you doing there, Pete?
Magnesium hands.
Next stop will be, I don't know where, but we're on our way to Sorrento for the night.
Hotel. Going to Hotel Sorrento.
Sorrento Hotel, Hotel Sorrento, something like that. Feeling good?
And now.
I made a stupid suggestion and Pete's actually going to do it.
So we have some magnesium effervescent tablets here.
Sorry, some magnesium what?
Effervescent tablets. I don't have anything to put them in, but I do have water and I do have tablet.
Don't try this at home, kids. Don't try this at home.
Oh, that is really strong. Ah, beautiful.
It took about an hour and a half to ride from the Dandenong Ranges to Hotel Sorrento, and we were so tired we just ate dinner at the hotel and collapsed, really. But it was really good to be staying so close to where we were starting our adventures tomorrow. If you're enjoying following along, don't forget to subscribe.